Don't forget to clock in right away.
All right, see you inside.
These are all certified wildlife management.
Okay, scanning the first batch now. Manifest looks correct. That's reading 14% right here.
Okay, got it. Make sure the vents below are clear. How are the saturation levels looking on the chestnut?
We're holding steady at 450 nanometers. The consistency is perfect.
The flexibility is excellent.
Confirmed. It meets all standards.
Premium quality approved.
What do you think of this wallet?
It's nice, but that jacket is stunning. The craftsmanship is beautiful.